I'm going to share 5 top tips to conquer procrastination with simple tech tricks. If you find yourself constantly putting things off, getting distracted, or just struggling to stay focused, these tips are for you. We'll use tech to help you break those bad habits and get more done. Let's go. Tip 1. Time blocking with digital calendars. Plan your day by scheduling specific blocks of time for tasks. Use a digital calendar like Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar to allocate time slots for each activity. Set reminders and notifications to keep you on track. This structured approach helps you visualize your day and commit to your tasks, reducing the temptation to procrastinate. Tip 2. Website blockers and focus apps. Eliminate distractions by blocking time-wasting websites and apps. Use tools like Freedom or Cold Turkey Blocker to temporarily block social media, news sites, or any other distractions. Focus apps like Forest or FocusMate can help you stay engaged by gamifying your productivity or providing virtual co-working sessions. This helps you stay in the zone and avoid getting sidetracked. Tip 3. Task management apps with prioritization. Organize your tasks and prioritize them with apps like Todoist or Trello. These apps allow you to break down large projects into smaller, manageable steps. Use features like due dates, priority levels, and tags to keep track of your progress and focus on the most important tasks. This helps you avoid feeling overwhelmed and keeps you moving forward. Tip 4. Pomodoro technique with timers. Use the Pomodoro technique to break your work into focused intervals. Set a timer for 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. Apps like Focus To Do or Be Focused can help you manage these intervals. This method helps you stay focused and prevents burnout by incorporating regular breaks. Tip 5. Automate reminders and notifications. Set up automated reminders and notifications for important tasks and deadlines. Use apps like Ift or Zapier to automate reminders across different platforms. This ensures you never forget a task and helps you stay on top of your commitments, reducing the chance of last-minute stress and procrastination. And that's it. 5 tips to conquer procrastination with simple tech tricks. Remember, tech is a tool to help you stay focused and organized. Use these tips to break those bad habits and boost your productivity. You can find links to all the tools we talked about in the description below. Happy working, and thanks for watching.